Hi, it's Adrienne. How are you doing today? So I'm back with my Black Friday haul. I actually didn't do a really big haul, but I did get some products that I was really interested in, and a couple of the sales just kind of caught my eye. So I basically have everything on, and I'll go ahead and show you what I have on today. I did go ahead and start with an oldie but a goodie, which is the L'Oreal Lumi Light Glow Tint. I have mine in shade 100. And then I did add some of the NYX as far as my concealer, and this is the NYX Bear With Me. As far as what I did for the bronzer today, I used the let's see, the Heat Wave, the Sunrise bronzer from Flower Beauty. And then starting in with the new stuff, I did go ahead and make an order with Morphe, and I got the Addicted as far as the blush, and I actually hadn't tried these. I knew that they were really popular when they came out, but I just now went ahead and tried them, and I think they turned out really pretty. I'm really enjoying the cream formula, and it seems to have a lot of pigment, but I haven't really worn it a lot yet. So as well as that, I did go ahead and put in, or put on top of that, the NYX Royal Highlighter. This came out with the Bridgerton collection this winter, and I'm just really enjoying that one quite a lot. So that's what I have on as my highlighter. And this one is a duochrome. It goes from pink to pretty much champagne. And so it's a really pretty highlighter, and that's what I have on with it. So I do have these two on. And then as far as what I did for the eyes, let's see, as far as the eyeliner today, I did pick up this set, which is MKNK, and I think I got it off of Temu. And it's actually going to be an eyeliner kind of set, and so that's what I have on for my eyeliner today. And I did find a sale over at Nomad, and they had their Apres, the ski palette on sale, so I did go ahead and pick that up, and that's what I have on the eyes today. I do have this multi-chrome, and I have it from here to here, and then from here to here. I put a little bit of this in there as well. And then as far as what I have on the actual eye itself, I did use some of the purple right here. Then I used some of the blue right in the center of the eye, and then on the outer part of the eye, I went ahead and used this. So I have all shimmers on today, and I think it turned out really fun. This one actually is a multi-chrome, and it goes green and gold, and it's adding quite a lot into the color today. This is how the eye look came out. So I did try to use as many colors as possible to go ahead and get the eye look today. And then I did go ahead and get a couple of new finishing powders. I picked up the Morphe Cloudlight in, I think, Sunrise here, and I was just about through with it. And this is where I'm at. So like I said, I've been liking this as a finishing powder. I've been trying to find a finishing powder because the Catrice one I love, they don't make it anymore, and it's the pink one with the mica in it. It's really pretty. So I've been using this one. This is the second color in the Cloudlight. And what I did was I went ahead and I picked up another one of these that I haven't opened yet, but I also got the Cloudlight Dawn as well. And let me see, I think I have this the other way around. So what I did today was I went ahead and put the, this is the Sunrise, and I went ahead and put it on this side of my face, and then I went ahead and put the Dawn on this side of my face. And as far as seeing a really big difference between these two, I don't really see one. There's a little bit of a difference if you look on my under eye, and I do have it on my under eye on both, but, well, let me go ahead and do something like this and see if you can see a difference. Because I really couldn't see a huge difference. I don't know, we could put some of this on as a highlighter, because I know a lot of people do use it as a highlighter instead of a finishing powder. Yeah, let's see. Well, since I have the other highlighter on there, it isn't really showing up, but I really wanted to see if these two were really different, and my conclusion is that they aren't really, really different, but I'm glad that I have both. And as far as the finishing powder, I really like the Hourglass finishing powders, but these are similar, but they're different. So I'm going to go ahead and do another video where I compare these with the Hourglass ones, but I think that there's enough of a difference that, well, for one thing, these are a lot less expensive, but they don't have the, they give you a glow, and the Hourglass do too, but the glow's a little bit different is what I'm trying to say. So I'll be doing another video about that. As far as lips today, I used Maybelline ink crayon. This one is in 140, I think. Yeah, 140. And then I went ahead and put the Essence Metaglow on top of it, so that's what I have there. And I have a whole face of all new makeup and all the anxiety that goes along with it. Will this work the same way that I'm used to, or do I need to use more of this or less of this? So it was a challenge getting ready today, but I thought it was really fun. And as far as first impressions, loving this. I think that this color story is absolutely gorgeous, and I'm really glad that I picked it up. It was one of the ones on sale. I'm really liking the Morphe products as well. I think that they're just really good value, and I was really surprised, like everybody, when Morphe did such a turnaround and they're doing such quality products now. The Royal highlighter from NYX, again, I love this one as well. And these MKNK pencils as far as eyeliner pencils, and they seem to be working really well so far. And I think that's probably it, and I hope that you have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye.